The Stanley family.
I'm Dawn Stanley, and today I'm going to show you how I created this faux brick backsplash for under $100. First, we bought one piece of brick paneling from our local Home Depot. My husband Michael did all the measuring and cutting and hanging for me. The first two pieces, we cut out slots in the brick so that it went together like a puzzle piece, and that way we could easily hide the seams. Then we got in a hurry and decided to cut the others just flush, and looking back I regret that and wish we had done all of them like we'd done the first two, because it was harder to hide the seams than I originally thought, but it still turned out fine. Michael used a nail gun to secure the pieces to the walls, but you could also use liquid nails if you prefer. I use this lightweight spackling to fill in the grout lines and to give it a more whitewashed, textured look. I then used a rag to dab the grout lines to give it a more textured look because I didn't want it to look smooth. The spackling turned a brownish red color after I applied it, so I went back over it with white paint to give it a more whitewashed look. I added and removed white paint till I achieved my desired look. I also added caulking around the corners and edges. Lastly, Michael added new receptacles, light switches, covers, and a vent hood for the stove. Everything we used will be linked in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please let us know in the comments and be sure and like this video. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more affordable DIY projects.